Starting around 7 to 9 o'clock this evening, but ending as early as 5 to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're expecting sunshine and 40s by your Sunday afternoon. A very quick mover. In fact, this storm is well down to the southwest, just barely touching Tennessee right now, but it'll start to swing some clouds into our area by as early as 2-3 o'clock. So sunshine for the first half of our day, clouds moving in this afternoon. They spread through and eventually snow approaching as we move towards 7 o'clock tonight. Initially, the snow moving in will be light, not very impactful as far as travel. But if you're heading out late tonight, that's when you start to see that lower visibility and some heavier snow setting up. We could see some bands, and within those bands, that's where you see some of those heaviest snowfall rates likely setting up through Connecticut and Rhode Island, but it may try to push its way along the 95 corridor and really for areas south and east of the 95. So that's where we see the best chance of that 6-inch mark as far as snowfall accumulation. Then we're watching that rain snow mix line, which does try to make its way northward through the Cape and also pushing toward areas like Plymouth by tomorrow morning. But this all tapers down quickly. By tomorrow morning, we're starting to clear out and dry out. So in general, it's 4 to 6 inches, but let's break it down by each area. Moving down toward the Cape, there's that changeover to rain. So the southernmost portion of the Cape and moving on to the islands, 0 to 2 inches, meaning the changeover to rain will really keep those accumulations down. But then you see 2 to 4 inches as you move northward, and really the northernmost portion of the Cape moving toward Provincetown could even see closer to 4 inches to even 6 inches of snowfall. We get in that 4 to 6 inch range really as you push south of Boston, and this is a prime area for seeing that 6-inch mark as we move out toward areas like Marshfield, even moving down toward Mansfield. Then you move into Boston, 4 to 6 inches expected in general, closer to that 4-inch mark, especially as you push north and westward. 2 to 4 inches as you move into northernmost portions of Worcester and Middlesex County, northernmost portions of the North Shore, and extending into the New Hampshire seacoast and southern portions of Maine as well. Otherwise, it is dry for much of today. Highs in mid-30s will feel cool, mid-40s by tomorrow, and from there we're rapidly rising. For your President's Day or Washington's birthday on Monday, we are watching a chance of rain moving in. That's holding off until the evening. Here's 4 o'clock. You see that rain approaching, likely getting a bit heavy by the later evening, but then tapering off. And we're dry as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, and check out those high temperatures reaching towards 70 degrees on Wednesday afternoon.